Hi, I want to show you how to connect your key ignition switch electric to your electric scooter. So this is the wire of the key. Inside I have three colored wire. The black it is connected directly to the LCD, as you can see, and to the black of the battery. Only one connection. Then there is the green wire. The green wire you must to connect to the white wire of the battery, and then there is the red wire, always of the key, and this it's connected directly to the white wire of the LCD. The other wire are connected directly, blue with blue, yellow with yellow, green with green, red with red. I have unplugged the electric scooter. So if you want to try it, you turn on, and here it was showed the voltmeter, the voltage, and then after you turn on, you can turn on the LCD. If you want to turn off also the LCD. Thank you.